Do you ever catch yourself using your phone too much while walking? Let's see how you can track it with digital well-being on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. To check it, go to Settings, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Digital Well-being and Parental Controls, and then tap it. Tap Weekly Report icon at the top right. Scroll down. Then tap Screen Time while walking. Here you will see your total screen time while walking for the week along with percentage. Mine shows 17 minutes or 15%. There's also a bar graph that breaks it down by day. If you want more detail, you can tap Daily View to see your phone use while walking each day. And below the graph, you will find a list of the app you use during walking with total screen time for each one. So if you want to be more mindful and safer when moving around, this feature can help you spot your habits and cut down on unnecessary phone use while walking. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.